Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I am going to be making a Easter centerpiece, and I'm going to be using this cute Easter bunny that I picked up at Dollar General for $4. And I wanted to show you before I get started some of the other finds I picked up at Dollar General, just in case you want to stop by Dollar General. Okay, so my daughter picked up this little headband for $1. This was also $1. Every bunny loves you. And then they have some cute, just wooden Easter cutouts that you could do some Mod Podge on, and they're $2. And so I got the little bunny and the Easter egg. And then I picked up this little, it says Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes sign for $1. And then here's some Easter egg foam decoration picks for $1. And then this is my favorite find at Dollar General today, and it's the little Easter bunny with the initial in the center, and it was only $3.50 at Dollar General. For this centerpiece, you're going to need a tinsel work wreath form, and this is the smaller size. So you'll want to make sure your tinsels are standing up facing the ceiling. And I am going to be using the 10-inch Deco Mesh to do the poof method all the way around it first. And then I'm going to be using some of the Dollar Tree 6-inch mesh to do some little bundles. And then I also have some ribbon. I'm going to be adding quite a bit of ribbon to this centerpiece. And so I've got some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire and some 1.5-inch width ribbon. I also picked up some of these sequin Easter eggs at Dollar General today for $1. So I'm going to be using these in the centerpiece. And I also have some twine carrots from Dollar Tree. So I may add a few things, but in the description box below, I will add a materials list for you. This 10-inch Deco Mesh is actually kind of a fabric mesh, and so I'm just going to take it and gather it in my hand, and I'm going to start on the center or the inner circle. And I'm going to put it in my first tinsel, just push it down to the wire frame and give the tinsel one twist. Okay, and we're going to be making poofs, and this is not going to be very large poofs because this is the smaller size. It's not the size I used for wreaths. So you're just going to take and kind of make a poof. Let me measure about 8 inches. You're going to go to your next tinsel and just open it up, put your poof in, then give your tinsel a twist, and then fluff your poof. So I want this centerpiece to be nice and full, so that's why I'm covering the base of it first with this purple fabric mesh. So just make a poof, roll your outer edges inward, go to your next inner center tinsel, and attach your poof, and just continue all the way around, same steps. Okay, I have done the inner circle with the 10-inch purple Deco Mesh. And before I go any further, I want to tell you that I measured this little wreath form, and from here to here is 11 inches. I know sometimes people ask, so I just wanted to tell you that's 11 inches. Okay, so I finished the inner circle, and now I'm not going to cut the Deco Mesh. I'm just going to continue to my outer circle. So I'm gonna fold my my Deco Mesh edges inward, make another poof, and go to my first outer tinsel and just attach my poof and give it a twist. Same steps all the way around the outer circle. Fold your edges inward, make about an 8-inch poof, and go to your next tinsel and just attach your poof all the way around, and that's it. Okay guys, this is how it looks so far. So I have finished my outer circle and my inner circle, so now I'm ready to cut off the Deco Mesh. So I'm just going to cut it off, and I have a pipe cleaner close by. I'm just going to take this end, and I'm going to take my pipe cleaner that I cut in half, and I'm just going to wrap it around this center wire of this wreath form, then put the Deco Mesh in it, and give it a twist, and that way it doesn't flip down and show. So this is how it looks so far. Okay, next I'm going to be taking my 6-inch Deco Mesh from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be taking the mesh and I'm going to cut it into strips at 18 inches. So I'm going to be cutting the purple, the blue, and the pink all at 18 inches. Same steps with each color. Cut your 6-inch Deco Mesh at 18 inches. Okay, you're going to want to cut 12 strips of each color at 18 inches, and then you're going to cut your pipe cleaners in half. And next, what we're going to do is you're just going to take your Deco Mesh and you're going to just walk your fingers up the Deco Mesh, make little ruffles, just like this. And if you need to, you can take a clothespin or a chip clip to hold your Deco Mesh, but you're going to do all 3 colors. Just walk your fingers up each strip. It kind of wants to fold and tangle up on itself. It's okay, just be patient. Okay, and then just put the second color on top of the first. Now my third color, same steps. Just walk your fingers up the Deco Mesh. Make a little ruffle or bow tie. Okay, so now we have all 3 colors. We're just going to take our pipe cleaner. Now, since we do have the tinsels, you don't have to do this. We could just grab, see if I can get it over here without getting tangled up. You could just take and go to your tinsel on your wreath form and add your Deco Mesh, just like this, and give it a twist. So it's up to you. If you do want to add your pipe cleaners, you can, or if you just want to use your tinsels, it's whatever's easiest for you. And then just kind of fluff your little bundles. So I've got to make 12 bundles total. Okay guys, this is the way it looks with the 12 bundles added. So it took 2 pinks, 2 purples, and 2 blues. So 6 rolls total to do the little bundles all the way around this centerpiece. Okay guys, now we're going to be adding some ribbon to each bundle. So we're going to cut 12 sets. We decided to go with the 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire. We thought the 2.5 was just a little bit too wide for this centerpiece. So I'm going to cut my ribbon at 10 inches. So I'm going to cut 12 of each color. At 10 inches. I'm going to dovetail the ends of my tails. So just take your ribbon, fold it in half toward the edges toward the left, go to your fold and cut away from your fold. And that makes the pretty V. Same steps on each end. Take your ribbon, fold it in half, go to your fold, cut away from the fold. And that's all you have to do to get the pretty dovetailed end. Now I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm just going to take them, kind of pinch them in the center, and then I'm going to go to my tinsel. Now you can take your tinsel and just give it a twist and untwist it, stick your ribbon in, and then twist it back. And then I'm going to make 12 of these ribbon bundles, and that's it. And you can switch it up, like on this one I did the bunny ribbon on top, so this one I'm doing the green ribbon on top. So just do whatever you like, and then just take your tinsel and twist it, stick your ribbon in, twist your tinsel back, and then fluff your tails. Okay, we added the 12 bundles of ribbon. So this is how it looks, nice and full. And then we're going to take some of the Dollar General sequin little eggs. I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue and hot glue several of them onto the centerpiece. I have 8 of the little sequin Easter eggs from Dollar General, so I'm just going to randomly hot glue them onto the centerpiece. So just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue. And I'm going to put them kind of in the center of where I did my little ribbon and just hold it for a little bit. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue gun. This one's Gorilla Glue brand, and it's a low temp hot glue gun, or I have it set on low temp. So I'm just going to put it over the little silver tinsel and hold it. And you can go back and trim off the tinsels at the end when you're finished if you want to make them shorter. Okay guys, and this is how it looks with the little Easter eggs hot glued on. I don't think I'm going to add any carrots, so I'm ready to add the little bunny in the center. I am going to sit my little rabbit on this stand. And it's a candle holder from Bath & Body Works, and it was $14.50, and I picked it up last year. And so I think it will give the bunny just enough height. So that's what I'm going to add in the center, and then I'll sit my little bunny on top of it. Okay guys, so this is how the stand looks inside the centerpiece. So I think it's going to be the perfect height. So this is how it looks, sitting on the little stand. So give me just a second and we'll show you, once we get our mess cleaned up, how pretty it looks. Here she is. I think it turned out really pretty for Easter. It was very simple to make. And I think the little Dollar General Easter bunny works out cute in the center. And she was only $4. So let me know what you think. I appreciate everyone watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It does not cost anything to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button right below the video on the right. And if you would like notifications, just click the bell. And that way you'll know exactly when I upload a tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.